开始。
Hello everyone. Hello young students. I am Teacher Dora.
I'm Jasmine.
I'm T. Good. Today, Jasmine is going to teach Tim how to make healthy food. Yummy, yummy. Okay, but Tim is going to read a story first. The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
The very hungry caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lived on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and popped out of the egg, came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. I'm hungry. On Monday, he ate 1 apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate a lot.
Hello everyone, that's me again. After listening to the Very Hungry Caterpillar, now Teacher Jasmine is going to teach Tim how to make healthy food. Tim, hi.
Hello.
What do you want to eat? Can you point?
Okay.
Teacher Jasmine will help you. Okay, here we go.
1 cookie.
Crackers.
Crackers.
Yes. And till it opens.
Open.
Can you choose what do you want to eat? Okay,
Okay.
you can turn the table.
Okay. You say raisins.
Raisins. Okay, we put some raisins. Sprinkle on the top. Okay. And then, like
Mascarpone cheese. Mascarpone cheese and
mascarpone cheese.
And can
Okay, good.
bread in our cookies.
Spread on the cookies. Now we need the spreader. Here we go. Thank you, Teacher Jasmine. Good. You have to have cheese first. Okay, don't use your finger. We have forks. Okay, use this one. How many do you want? Some more? Okay, good. It's okay. Okay. Put this one. Okay, we have party mix.
Yeah, party.
Jasmine, are those party mix from Australia?
Yes, this is from Australia, just like that koala.
Koala. Yes. When they are making it, may I introduce platypus? This one is from
Koala is from
Australia
Australia.
too. Okay. And this is a warmer. You can put the essential oil here, and that will smell good. Okay. Platypus. Yay. Okay. We are making it. The they were busy. So this is essential oil. This one will keep you healthy too. Ding. Okay, what you do is you can put essential oil into koala diffuser or plate. This one is koala diffuser. Look, you got the very nice aroma air going up. That's beautiful. This one is from Australia too. Platypus from Australia. Okay, good for your health too. You put the essential oil in. That's it. You can show it. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Tim, you say thank you, Teacher Jasmine.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay. Yummy. Good. Okay. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.